California needs water, but not like this. Besieged by weeks of powerful storms, the ground here is saturated. That's leading to landslides and debris flows. 7 million people in Los Angeles County faced downpours that opened up a sinkhole like this one overnight. It swallowed 2 cars. The unstable road forced firefighters to ditch their engines, and they used ladders to help 2 people from the 15-foot deep pit. In San Luis Obispo County, at least 1 person died when their car was overtaken, and a 5-year-old boy went missing during a rescue, believed to have been swept away. In Santa Cruz County, the San Lorenzo River quickly climbed to a major flood stage.
We've been out of power, just got it back on for only 1 day to lose it again.
Mud-soaked hillsides are sliding down. This one blocked the highway into town.
It's like a rat trying to get out of a maze, trying to find the different little route to get through.
This is crazy.
Ellen DeGeneres is one of thousands of Santa Barbara County residents facing mandatory evacuation orders.
This street next to our house never flows, ever.
Our Elise Preston is there.
Here in Montecito, families spent Monday evacuating the coastal city as incessant rain pounded the area. The 101, a major highway here in California, is shut down because of flooding like this. Shelters are open for families to stay safe.
Back in Northern California, high surf slammed waterfront businesses in Capitola.
So this restaurant's been in the family for decades. Have you ever seen damage like this before?
I have not.
Kitchen manager Josh Whitby says it'll take months to rebuild.
At this point, they're hoping to be back in business by Memorial Day. In the meantime, coastal neighborhoods like this one, which are already inundated with water, as you can see, are facing high surf warnings today. The waves could be up to 25 feet. Anne-Marie?
Oh, my goodness, Carter. You know, we were sort of hearing about what the forecast was going to look like. We knew it was going to be bad, but I'm kind of curious as to whether or not these homeowners, these businesses, if they in any way were able to prepare for this.
Yeah. Where we are, particularly, this is an area that's a low-lying area, so it floods. People here are sandbagged. It looks like they were ready. Now, when you go out along the beach road here, the homes that are fronting the ocean, there's some significant damage there, but you could tell they're weathered here, so to speak, and used to it because they've got the hatches battened down. They've got storm shutters up. They've got boards blocking all the windows. They were prepared for this.
So, you know, clearly for some people, it's been a shock, how things are unfolding. But I'm wondering just how out of the ordinary this is. And are we seeing, you know, the impact of climate change, perhaps?
Well, you know, out of the ordinary, this is very out of the ordinary because here in California, we're so used to it not raining at all.
Right.
You can pretty much make any plans anytime you want, and you don't have to worry about it. And now we've been getting these storms, and they are just relentless. It is one right after the other. But we need it. We desperately need this water. The problem is we don't need it like this. When it comes so fast, we can't handle it. We can't save it. The water manager's got to run out all the flood water right to sea.
Yeah, and doesn't have time to soak into the ground or anything. Carter, thank you very much.